Another plum lessons are one for our daily words. We allow Exodus chapter 26 and verse 31 up to verse 37. Make a curtain to separate the holy place from the most holy place. Use fine linen woven with blue, purple, and red wool, embroidered with figures of winged creatures. Cover 4 acacia wood posts with gold and set them each on a silver stand. Then fasten gold hooks to the posts and hang the curtain there. Inside the most holy place, you must put the sacred chest that has the place of mercy on its lid. Outside the curtain, put the table for the sacred bread on the right side of the gold lampstand on the left. For the entrance of the tent, use a piece of fine linen woven with blue, purple, and red wool and embroidered work with fancy needlework. Cover 5 acacia wood posts with gold and set them each on a bronze stand and put gold hook on one post and hang the curtain there. So this passage is about the curtains that is used there at the tent of the tabernacle during the time of Moses. Yes, during the time of Moses, they built the tent of the tabernacle. But it foreshadow our church today. Yes, we are the church. And in a church, we do have different title and function and position. But we need to function according to the plan of God. Okay? See, the tent of the tabernacle contains multiple parts, different materials, but those materials, those measurements were dictated by God, designed by God, and their architect is God. Okay? But those materials, they are united, hence the tent of the tabernacle is stand and it was created strong. So nowadays, we as a church, as the body of Christ, we have multiple, or should I say different personality, different talents, different skills, different personality. But we need to be united and accord as one, being a body of Christ. Okay?